Hi class! We have completed 5 weeks already. That means we're almost a third of the way done. We are moving right along. As a reminder, even though our weeks only open up one at a time, you can always look at the schedule in the orientation module to see the plan for the entire term, including essay prompts. As always, reach out to me if you have any questions. I must admit, I'm impressed with the way you've been respectfully communicating with each other and with me. Keep that up. Also, you've completed your first essay, and we're already diving into the readings that will prepare us for the next one. This is a good time to start exploring ways to take advantage of the LRC, if you are on campus at any time, or NetTutor, the tab to your left? Yeah. Between Collaborations and Google Drive. Getting this feedback, in addition to the feedback you'll get from me on Essay 1, is essential to your writing growth. Plus, as many of you may have seen with the last essay, any verification of help from these approved sources can get you extra points on your essay. Sure, practice helps, but guidance along the way is key. Who knows? Consistently receiving feedback from tutors could be a keystone habit of successful students. I'll see what you think in this week's discussion and later in Essay 2. Have a great week!